Need a single source solution to make your next shower installation a breeze? ARDEX TLT Shower Systems is here to help. ARDEX TLT Shower Systems offer a rigid foam, single source solution that can be installed easily, quickly, and securely. The sophisticated technology and high-quality materials used offer high durability and excellent sealing properties. The system includes shower bases, building panels, curbs, drain kits, and other accessories. The highly rigid structure of ARDEX TLT building panels offer a strong, lightweight, waterproof, and vapor-resistant tile base for wet areas, while the pre-sloped, waterproof shower bases are designed with a patented built-in drain assembly. Use the pre-waterproofed patented components alongside other ARDEX products to make tiled shower installations quicker and easier. Also, your installation is covered by the comprehensive ARDEX TLT Shower Systems warranty. To learn more, contact your friendly ARDEX sales professional or visit www.ardexamericas.com.